Be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed to supersize your business. Have you ever watched a squirrel or watched squirrels? And not like right before they just missed the wheels of your car, but out in nature or out in the woods, or when they're running across the road so that they miss the wheels of your car. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, this expression, bright-eyed, has been around since the late 1500s. The bushy-tailed didn't come into play until like 1865, 1870, and although they're not sure exactly the direct source of either one of these, they were brought together in 1888 on November 4th in the New Orleans Picayune in a story about a squirrel called A Bunch of Goldenrod. And since then, it's appeared in lots of, usually in reference to squirrels, because squirrels are bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. They're energetic, they're active, they flit about, especially in the fall when they're gathering nuts and things. They run around all the time. If you watch them, you can watch them any time of year. Even in the winter here in Wisconsin, we can see the squirrels running around up and down the trees, jumping from limb to limb. Flying squirrel, flying red squirrels. We used to call my daughter, she's a snowboarder, we used to call her the flying red squirrel because she's got red hair. And then her dad, my ex-husband, was the gray squirrel, and my son had a squirrel name, and I didn't snowboard with them, so I was not a squirrel, I was just the mom. I was mostly the driver. So, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, what does that mean, and how can you use it to build and supersize and grow your business? Well, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, of course, means that you are energetic, excited, quick-moving, all things we want to be as we're growing and supersizing our business. So you're eager, you're alert, you're paying attention, you're aware of what's going on, and you're involved in what's going on. You're creating and making things happen. These are all things we want to do as we're supersizing and growing our business. People get involved with businesses and do business with businesses that makes them feel a certain way. So you might not be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, but who do you know that is? Who in your organization is energetic and excited about what your business is doing? If you're not excited about it, if you don't have passion behind the vision, who the heck else is going to? Do you have energy for creating what it is that you're creating in the world with your business? Again, if you're not excited about it, if you're not building it up in your mind and in the minds of other people, because people like to get involved in big things, right? People like to be involved with big missions, big things, things that make them feel like they're a part of something. Who is doing that for your organization? What makes you personally feel bright-eyed and bushy-tailed? What gets you out of bed excited in the morning because you know you're going to get to go do it? It's different for each of us based on what we like, what makes us feel excited, energized, etc. But we're providing, and we want to be providing that feeling to the people that we serve, the people that we're in business with, in association with, as well as our employees and our customers. So what could you be enthusiastic or excited about in your business, and how can you communicate that to the people that are stakeholders and participants in or with your business? Share something in the comments below. I have definitely used bright-eyed and bushy-tailed before, not a ton, but I've definitely used it to describe my kids. I've definitely been called bright-eyed and bushy-tailed on occasion, mostly by my family, sometimes sarcastically, because I might have enthusiasm and excitement about a project that other people aren't excited about. And that's okay, because all of us, sometimes we're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, sometimes we're not. So I say, be a squirrel if you want to supersize and grow your business. And also notice about squirrels and being bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, they're focused, right? They're not out collecting all kinds of different things in the fall. They're collecting nuts and acorns for the winter, right? They are focused specifically on those things. So I guess that's another lesson for us with respect to being bright-eyed and bushy-tailed and being a squirrel. I love squirrels. I think they're amazing. Except for the one that dug a hole into my basement in my Green Bay house. That wasn't so cool. It ate through the cement block and into my basement. Anyway, another story. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, let me know. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business now? Have a great day.